Um, After feed forward, we can calculate the error in the prediction value, because in this case, we have this experimental value, which is the correct answer. And our goal of developing neural network model is to make the prediction value having minimum error with the correct answer. But it's impossible to make a good prediction um, with the random guess of the weight. So initially, weights are assigned with random values. So initially, errors are quite huge. When error was calculated, then this error was used to update the weight with the derivative of the error function. And then these updates were transferred to the backward. So that's why we call it back propagation. So it's transmitting errors to the backside up to input layer, so that all the weights should be updated with the based on the error. So first these derivative of errors were calculated, and these were transmitted to the previous layer based on the weight, so that the weighted loss will be applied here, or weighted gradient. And so because of this reason, when we initialize the network weight, we never use the same value. Imagine if all the weight has the same value, for example, like 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, and 0.2, 0.2. Then, when the error was measured, the gradient will be calculated. Same gradient will be obtained from the same weight, and also these will be transferred to the previous layer with the same weight. So all the weights will have the same value all the time. So when these were updated, they'll be changed in the same way, like this, and they also will be updated in the same way, in this way. And this is not the situation we want, because we need to have all different weight values. And so that's why in the neural network, weight initialization is quite important, and all the weights should have different initial weight, unless training isn't really working well. So all the weights should be initialized in the different values, so that when the error was measured, gradient will be calculated differently for each weight, and also when they were back propagated, all the weights in the previous layer should be also updated with the different values, so that the prediction may be improved. So this is how neural network is updated, and we call this process transmitting error in the backward is called back propagation.